At the Doden Vineyards, like any other winery, you see row after row of future wines.
The yellow tags are Sauvignon Blanc. The red tags are Cabernet Sauvignon.
Unlike most wineries, you'll see a mess of overgrown weeds in between. But former physician and scientist, now winemaker Tom Krogan says, you're looking at it wrong.
It's just beautiful to me. I see a functioning ecosystem.
There's a method to this mess. It's all about capturing carbon.
They are taking in the energy from the sun and the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and they are using that to convert that to sugars.
The carbon travels down the plant and into the soil.
Because we have this diverse area of grasses and forbs, and that's carbon stored in the soil.
Normally, carbon would have nowhere to go and would return to the atmosphere. But here it stays in the soil. How much carbon do they keep? Well, for each bottle of wine they capture,
that is about the same amount of carbon that's in a gallon of gas.
Solar energy powers the rest of the operation, from the tasting room to the barrel rooms. Krogan says they're one of the first carbon-negative wineries on the East Coast. Tom says that carbon negative, that's the headline. He says if you look around the vineyard, what you'll come to find is that there's a bigger picture taking shape.
Our goal was to adapt to the changing climatic conditions.
They've done that in a number of ways. That same mess of weeds creates microbes that ferment the grapes, and
it makes the leaves bitter, so the insects don't like to eat the leaves. So they're protected, and that's why we've been able to reduce our insecticide use by 70%.
Then come the sheep. Minimal use of gas-powered mowers here. The sheep eat the vineyard's grass and weeds, trample the ground to work the soil, and
bring in their microbial populations in the form of their manure.
So what you see at the end is a bottle of wine, but what's behind it is a self-sustaining ecosystem ready for the challenges of a changing climate. In Davidsonville, Maryland, I'm Matt Gregory, WUSA 9.
Want a glass of wine now, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, if you're getting ready to do a little fall cleaning this weekend, by the way, you can bring some of those items to our WUSA 9 Recycle Day. You can bring some of those old electronics, your paper for shredding, all to the Reston Town Center next Wednesday. We'll be out there from 10 a.m. until 6:30 p.m. For more information, just visit WUSA9.com/environment.